Hello everyone, it's Kay here and I'm here today to share my winnings with you. A little while ago, Donna, who is Don's Crafty... had it in my mind and it's gone. Don's Crafty Delights. Lovely YouTube lady who has been on YouTube for quite a while. I've followed Donna for quite a long time. And due to health issues, Donna had considered giving up her crafting and then decided that as long as she took things nice and gently, she could perhaps do a little bit more. And I'm delighted to say within all of this, she held a little challenge and I was very lucky enough to win the prize. Now I've also just finished watching a series that Donna has done on a stationery book. Very wisely, Donna is making a lot of things in readiness for Christmas. A, to save on money, B, to use up some of her stash, and C, to keep her busy, I think, which is a good thing to drive you forward. I can't recommend it highly enough. I have made the stationery set myself some time ago, and it is an oldie but a goodie, and Donna goes through such a lot of detail. If it's something you would be interested in, I will leave the link to Donna's channel anyway under this video. Do go along and say hello and check out her stationery gift. It really is very, very beautiful indeed. So what I've done with my prize winnings here is opened the box, because I do have trouble with these, peeled the card off the top here, and I'll just undo that one. Oh, thank you so much for entering. Oh, thank you so much, Donna. Thank you very much. There's my thank you card for taking part in the challenge. And we'll open up the box without further ado. Delivered by Mr. Hermes, and this is a box and a half, as you can see. So I think what I'll do, I've not got a lot of space here on my table, is take out till I can't take out anymore, and then I'll hopefully be able to move the box around and get some space. So here's one of the first items, and it's a lovely jute bow. There's three jute bows with the lace trim, and they are really, really very, very pretty indeed. Held on with these little twirly bits to keep them safe, but a great way of decorating boxes or parcels or anything like that really. So that's that one. Then there's a lovely notepad here with lemon, lime and orange on it, and it's magnetised, so I can actually stick that up on the right surface and leave foul notes to myself. I'm very good at that because my mind is just not with it at the moment, and I'm needing prompts to keep me on the straight and narrow. Then there are a couple of frame stickers here, very, very pretty, for baby. And then a Mr. and Mrs. frame to decorate for a couple just married. So there's lots of interesting things here. Some of my most favourite bags in all the world that I use to make albums with, and one pack, and you can see the price, one pack of these makes a beautiful little album. I've made them in the past. Then there are 20 little tags here that will come in really handy to add to projects, to put little sayings on and that kind of thing. Some lovely foam adhesive pop dots or pads. Floral Muse bows, we all love the Floral Muse in the pink and in the silver. Some lovely, lovely retro metal embellishments that will come in really, really handy, because I'm hoping to do a challenge where a lady is requiring some decorative paper clips. This kind of thing comes in really handy for that. Some lovely wooden buttons with bicycles on them, if you can see them. I'm hoping so. some lovely alphabet, puffy alphabet letters. 2 packs of, which gives you ample scope to name and shame your relatives and so on, if that's what you want to do. And I do tend to put their names on everything when it's birthdays and the like. Some lovely striped bags here that will come out in handy for albums and loaded envelopes and that kind of thing. Oh wow, some lovely, lovely glittered washi tape, pink, silver, and then the silver tiger skin effect, which is gorgeous. My gosh, Donna. Some Lucky Clover Distress ink. Whew. Floral Muse frames. And these kind of things are lovely because you can either use the plain back, or you can use the colours to coordinate with the paper stacks. That is really, really lovely. You didn't have to do all of this. This is beyond winnings. This is my own special stash department here. Some more lovely washi tape with the Eiffel Tower, bird cages and bows. Thank you very much. Some more Floral Muse hearts. I love these. I think they're just so clever. I did have a template to make them, but I don't know what I've done with it. I've got to have a good old sort out and tidy out, I think. I'm having a wonderful, wonderful array of things here, and I don't want you to miss anything that I'm taking out of the box, because these are such generous winnings from Donna, I can't tell you. A Floral Muse, and I haven't got this one, embossing folder with the grid work on it, which is really, really lovely. Floral Muse flowers in those beautiful delicate hues, just a pink and a cream, but they really are such a lovely combination. Just shabby chic all the way. And then some, I think it might be decoupage paper, it looks as though it is, with script and butterflies on. Really, really lovely. Some, oh, I don't know, it looks like, sorry for the rustling, it looks like, oh yeah, postcards that you can decorate. There's been a couple of giveaways of late to decorate postcards and go into swaps with them, so that would be a truly wonderful base to start off at. Thank you, Donna. Such an array of things, honestly. Donna didn't discuss prizes when she put her challenge out there. So I am completely taken aback by just how much is here, to be perfectly frank with you. There's just a wealth of very useful things. Some lovely tempered envelopes that have been put together with script on. Very, very nice. This looks like some small little envelopes with matching cards and envelopes, which is a lovely little pack. There are some lovely, lovely sticker notes with remember, to do and hearts. Really, really lovely, lovely, lovely bits that will come in ever so handy. Thank you, Donna. Oh my gosh. And then some glittered envelopes for those special things that you want to send out. Really, really gorgeous. Some more, oh look at those, they're very lovely. Some more metal embellishments. One of them's come unstuck. There are actually 4 here, but I don't want to, sorry Eels, she tells me to take them out of the packaging and I don't want to. Oh, I can't get that, I'm going to have to open that one. Okay, let's just do it. Trouble with these is once you open them up, they are vulnerable and unlikely to lose them, and as it turns out, it's 2 identical little metal resin topped embellishments that are really, really lovely. Thank you. I'll pop those back in to keep them safe because I know what I'm like, and I'll put them away and they'll find their own little corner to land in, and then I won't find them because the packaging's gone. So that's those. Thank you very much. And then there's this lovely array of different little mini craft bottles, 8, with lots and lots of glitter bits in them, and you can't probably see them, but it's like tiny little flatback pearls in the way that they've been cut out. Huge fun, great for shaker cards and that kind of thing, and such a lovely array of colours. This is a pile and a pile. Then some beautiful pearls, flatback pearls, 70 in the packet. Oh my Donna. Cutting dies, padlocks and keys, just super duper duper. Thank you. Assorted sized seed beads, just for your dingle dangles and decorating, and also putting into shaker cards. They're ideal for that kind of thing. This is just such a huge box full of loveliness. And then here is a really lovely stationery packet. So you've got an eraser, notepad, the bulldog clips, paper clips, 2 pens. I don't know quite, I think they might be Brad's, it looks like. But how lovely is that? Thank you so much, Donna. I'm just overwhelmed by everything, because the last thing you expect when you win a little challenge that requires nothing of you at all except to make a comment, or I think for this challenge Donna just asked what would be your favourite thing to make for Christmas, and from that I was lucky enough to be chosen, and all of this has arrived. So Donna, you're very special, my lovely. I hope you continue to craft, because you are a source of inspiration. You are very, very particular with your work, and nothing is too much trouble for Donna. She is a very, very nice lady, and I'm sure if you watched her and followed her and found something that you weren't quite sure about, like me, she would be one of these ladies that would get back to you just as soon as she could when you posted your questions. So that is something a bit special in my opinion, but there we are. So I'm going to love you and leave you with this wonderful array of crafty goodies, and thank you very much for sharing this time with me. I just don't know where I'm going to put it all now, except to good use, I hope. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care. Bye bye for now.